Hello everyone, I'm Sohrab from AgriMestaf, and today I want to show you a model analyzer tool to analyze the result of model. Firstly, I should copy and paste the variables, the data here, and I have some data. This is sample data for multiple regression for x I have, and one dependent variable, and this is predicted variable. I should copy the independent variables to the tool here. Easily I should paste it, but when you want to copy and paste data from Excel, you don't need to do anything. But if you are copy the data from text file or CSV file, you should use custom delimiter like comma or other delimiters. But now I have data from Excel and I should paste it. If you copy the headers, you should check this checkbox, but now I didn't copy. This is the formula of model. This is independent variable. When you copy independent variable, some statistics is calculated. Some statistics will calculated. Now I want to copy the predicted value here, paste here, and also the statistics calculate and put here. Okay, if you have several independent variable, this block will active multiple regression. But if you have just one independent variable, the simple regression will active. You can easily enter the confidence level and select the distribution, then click, and you will have the confidence bound. You can export easily to Excel and do any edit on it. Do any edit on the chart. Also for prediction bounds, similar, you can have the predicted upper and lower bound. Okay, now I want to describe the QQ plot. You can use a standard of distribution. You can select any type of distribution. Standard distribution in normal distribution is a distribution with mean equal to 0 and standard deviation equal to 1. But you can change the variable, but now I want to select the predicted value. This is empirical based on your data, and this is theoretical based on the distribution. But you have two type. First is standard. It means mean equal to 0 and standard deviation equal to 1. But if you uncheck the use standard, you will have the distribution fitted on your data. And this is the fitted on data, and this is quantiles based on your data. But this is horizontal axis is distribution based on your data. Similar, you can export it to Excel. You can change any variable that you want to select and draw QQ plot for it. Please consider that some of distribution doesn't work. For example, gamma cannot work with minus value, with negative value. And it cannot calculate because gamma distribution should fit on your data. But if you use a standard format of gamma distribution, you doesn't need to fit on your data, and you can draw it. This is empirical based on your data, and this is based on standard gamma distribution. Autocorrelation is so important for residuals. You can change the confidence level here, and also you can change the variable and easily draw the autocorrelation. When you have the autocorrelation value between upper and lower bound, it means your model is found all of the pattern on your data, and it is good, but you can export it to Excel. You have all of the pattern between upper and lower bound. It means your model is found all of the pattern in your data. Please consider that the first item is 1 because it is a correlation between the variable by itself. This is 6 and it is near to lower bound. You can do any edit on the chart that you want as a title, as an access title or legend or anything. Then save it. But now I don't want to save. You can check autocorrelation for other variables. Okay, this is some statistics that you will have. And we click on residual, you will have some chart based on the 4 residuals. I want to describe you about the histogram. This histogram chart is by using the library OXY plot and OXY plot, and the binds will select automatically by the library, but when you export it to Excel, the histogram chart automatically drawn by Excel, and it is different than the tool, but both of them is correct. Both of them is correct, but they are different. Okay, you will have several plots. And the last one is calculate 10 efficiency criteria. R square, adjusted R square, and blah blah blah. If you want to have the formula of this efficiency criteria, you should open the formula PDF file in the website and check all of the formula of this index. This Nash-Soft Griffman NSE, adjusted R square, and others. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel to get more video about the tools. Bye.